crazy. I need a taxi, man. Where's he going? Fucking blind. My lord. I need a taxi. The black cabs complain about Ubers. Well, what do you expect us to do when you're not around? I'm getting so wet through. I'll just fuck it. I might just walk in the rain. There's no point. Yeah, this is always what happens to me, man. This is always what happens to me, man. Is the taxi so dumb? Right, I've had enough. I'm going. You know, mate. Trying to miss out on all the puddles. It's not even funny, man. Look at my fucking what I'm wearing. There's not one bastard taxi in sight. Are you alright? Coat's getting wet through, man. Look at how wet I am. Fucking hell, man. He's gonna knock me out without a fucking umbrella. My phone's getting wet through as well. I even have a phone cover on my phone. State of this, fucking wet through. I knew this was going to happen to me. So I went into the bank. They couldn't even give me my money. She's like, oh, you need to come and see me tomorrow. And then she's gone to me. Anyway, I'm not even going to talk about it. It's too stressful. I'm literally soaked. Yeah, you wouldn't believe that we're in July. And look at the weather. People are telling me they've got the fucking heating on. Fucking bare puddles. Socks are filthy. Yeah, I can't stand the rain as well. I can't stand the rain. That's like totally wet through.
I didn't know he was on the Oktoberfest committee yet. And I was like, oh, how do I get like tickets for
My lord. I'm just dodging all the puddles. podgy in the churchyard. It's like he's smoking a joint. My feet are literally wet through my socks. I feel like I've just stepped in a puddle. Look how wet my coat is, literally wet through. My lord. My phone's probably gonna break because it's in the fucking water. I'm gonna go, guys, because I'm wet through. No, I might as well. I want to mash up my. Fuck's sake. I asked for 50 lions. I'm hilarious, really. Okay, now you're loaded, mate. Well, that's what they say, but imagine it's not. But yeah, I think he is. But anyway, I don't care, man. It's hilarious, way affected. Literally, my phone's dripping. Pin. Pin. Oh my lord. Oh mate, I'm so wet. I can't believe it, not one taxi has gone past me. The worst thing is I don't even have a dry cleaners, like, you know, I'm fucking... My headscarf is soaking wet. This is why I hate coming out. Every time I come out, like now it's stopping raining now. Feels like it's stopping. I know because I'm getting home. Fuck me, I wish I knew how to drive, man. Trust me. Can you still hear me all right? I think I can get water damage on my phone at this rate. Absolute bullshit, bro. Here we go.
Doors closing. Going up. Second floor.
I saw my fucking socks are wet through. I feel like going to a hotel. But then I think if I go to a hotel, police might bash down my door again. But yeah, I just feel like going to a hotel. But I don't know, I can't be honest, it's too late now. My Lord have mercy. Oh my God, when I say wet through, it's not even a word. I'm dying for a joint as well. I think I'm gonna have a cigarette, man. Flipping hell, man. Look how wet through I am. Just to let you all know, Modine is alive and kicking, you know, and whoever puts this stupid story around saying this and that, you're just weirdos, man. So yeah, I just want you to know, Modine. And Little Mo's fine. My fucking I might put, I'm thinking of painting a Birkin bag. Oh, sorry, where's the fucking thing? My absolute see. Where's my brush, man? Here we go. Affected. I'm gonna get Zahad heat to sort my hair out, man. Actually, they can fucking cut it, man. Because, yeah, that'll be good, actually. Oh, there we go. There's no point even trying to dry this with the hairdryer. It's just so wet. It's absolutely soaked. Absolutely soaking wet. I'm gonna put this in the bathroom. I need to make a drink as well. Oh my god, I'm so dehydrated. Oh. I can't stand the rain. Alexa, play I Can't Stand the Rain.
Here's I Can't Stand the Rain by Tina Turner on Amazon Music.
That's not Tina Turner. Oh, so I'm actually wet through here. It's not even a joke. I'm actually so wet. Oh, he's at Two Worms. He's my little baby. I got a bit excited when I seen him, Dave. I did. So let me wipe my phone. Oh, that's better. I've just been in the fucking absolutely soaked, darling. You would think that I'm living in fucking Iceland or something. Oh, mate. Yes, Dave, absolutely. He was just chilling under the rock, innit? And then he just, yeah, so he might have even dug himself down again, I don't know. I don't want to stress him out at the minute because, you know, he's my baby. So I'm not going to start harassing my spider, getting him out, doing this, because they're like, oh, you know, so yeah, my spider's not died, Modine's alive, and so's little Mo. So there we go. He's about that big. He's about this big now. He's not even that big, man. He needs to eat more worms. But he's not having any till next week now. Because he's already had 2. You know what it was? I think my spider was so hungry that he just was like, he went in, he ate 1 worm, and then he's thought, you know what, I'll give him another one the next day, and he ate that as well. So he's been, you know, he's probably stashed bits of worm or somewhere or whatever. He's buzzing. I always give him fresh water. I spray it up like he's got a bit of a, I take the lid off so he's got air. You know, we'll take the lid off again. He's drank his water as well. He drinks his water all the time. Oh look, he's down there. Oh look, he's buried himself again. He's fucked up. He's done stuff that. Yeah, he's buried himself again. I might give him a bit more water though. My spider gets the best water. He gets everyone. I don't give my spider tap water. Oh, actually, he's got a bit here. And then he's got his water. I just put a little bit on here, just on the plants. My little mug gets looked after properly, my spider. He's going to be the best spider, man. I need a cleaner. I swear, you see how fast time has gone today? I want me to do. He's not escaped, has he? No. Oh, I love my spider. He's so cute. I think it's good for him to get some air, man, because he's not getting proper air. He's only getting the air from here. I want to put him in a bigger, I'm going to put him in a bigger tank soon. I've got a bigger tank for him, and so I'm going to get some soil, and then he can go in there, and it's like a new house for him. Because what I can do is I can... oh shit. Anyway, I'll find a way. It's good for him to have a bit of air though, because everyone needs air. You can't be trapped in a fucking box, you know what I mean? We don't know how he's feeling in that box like that. He might not like it. Oh no, I hope I don't go to jail. Oh, darling. I can't go. Oh, listen, little Mo, you need to get your cash out, sweetheart, because you make money off my content, darling. So you need to start throwing in some of them gifts, darling. Because I could get rid of your account like that, because it's all my content. So I just put, it's not your original content, you'll lose everything. So always know what time it is. Don't ever think you're better than me, because if I wanted to do, I'll take one day off and get rid of all of your accounts. So that means no money for you lot. And just think, when you are making money, it's not you, is it? It's me that you're making money from. Famous, sweetheart. So I'll put you in your place and know what time of day it is. Trust me, but you see them other ones that are taking the piss out of me, like that turkey dinosaur and all that. They're getting reported, mate. Like, who the hell do you think you are, sweetheart? Jealous. You can't even sing anyway. Crap. And roots in it, little dusty youths, man. You couldn't even get 1 million views. The only time you can get 1 million views if it's me. Ah, affected, darling. I'll do a song. What's that mean? I don't even do a song on you. You're an absolute nobody. I've got no milk. Oh, no way, no milk. Affected. I'm gonna have to use cream. Oh no, look at that. I can't drink that. Fucking hell. I need to order some milk. See, everything goes wrong, man. I'm fucking bursting, man. Right, I'm gonna order some milk. Just to make it clear, I'm not in the Creators Fund. I've not made a penny from you. Oh, really not? Why are you not in the Creators Fund? Why are you not in the Creators Fund? Why are you not in the Creators Fund? Creators Fund on. Because I'm not in the UK. Oh, you're not? Where are you then? Where are you, my little Mo? America? Tell me where you are.